Hello everybody, I'm Niva Naji from Mama Niva channel. Before we get started, I want to say a huge welcome to my newest subscribers. Thanks a lot for your appreciated support. In this lesson, we are going to learn the difference between possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns, which are quite handy and are used frequently in the English language. Let's start with possessive adjectives. Most students learn that adjectives are words that describes nouns. Adjectives don't modify verb or adverb or other adjectives. What did we use to ask about position? Yeah, excellent. We use the question word whose. For example, we say, whose book is this? Are you curious to know the right answer? To answer this question, we can use two different ways. We can use possessive adjectives and the answer will be, this is my book. Or we can use possessive pronouns and the answer will be, this book is mine. Possessive adjectives are classified as a type of pronouns. A type of pronouns. So, possessive adjectives and the possessive pronouns say, who owns something? For example, that's our house. That's our house. It's also used for relations and friends. For example, my mother is a doctor. My mother is a doctor. We can use it for parts of the body. For example, he has broken his arm. He's broken his arm. Here is a list of subject and possessive adjectives. I. I is a subject. The possessive adjective is my. Look. Here is a man and he is holding a baby. I am asking, whose baby is this? The man says, he is my baby. He is my baby. He here is a subject. Possessive adjective is his. His. This is Ahmed. Ahmed is holding a pencil. I am asking, whose pencil is this? The answer is, this is his pencil. This is his pencil. His here refers to Ahmed. Refers to Ahmed. The subject here is she and the possessive adjective is her. This is a girl. Her name is Lena and she is reading a book. I am asking, whose book is this? The answer is, it's her book. Her here refers to Lena. Look here, it is a subject, but its is possessive adjective. Look at this cat. It has a tail. The question is, whose tail is this? The answer, this is its tail. This is its tail. It's here refers to the cat. Refers to the cat. Be careful not to confuse its and it is. A very common error is putting an apostrophe in its. Its is the possessive adjective for subject it. It is a contraction of it is. It is. The subject we. The possessive adjective our. Our. We have a family here and they are riding a car. Whose car is this? The family voice says, it's our car. It's our car. The subject here is they and the possessive adjective their. We have two children here, Yusuf and Judy. They are standing in front of a house. The question is, whose house is this? The answer is, it's their house. Their refers to Yusuf and Judy. Don't confuse this word their, T-H-E-I-R, with their, which we use to indicate existence, or they are, that is contraction of they are. The sound is the same, there, but the meaning is different. Subject, you. Possessive adjective, your. Here is a girl. Her name is Hams, and someone is giving her a book. Look, Hams, this is your book. I am talking to Hams. Here we should notice the difference between possessive adjective for the subject pronoun you and you are, a contraction of you plus are. You as subject pronoun and are is verb to be in the present simple. Look at these examples. He is my baby. It's our car. Hams, this is your book. Baby, car, and book, they all are nouns. And we know that all adjectives in English are always located directly in front of the noun they refer to. We don't include the letter S to the adjective when the noun is plural. For example, our cars are expensive. Our cars are expensive. This is correct. But ours, cars are expensive. This is incorrect. The verb that is used need to be in agreement with the noun. In agreement with the noun. If the noun is singular, then the verb is singular. If the noun is plural, then the verb is plural. For example, my pen is black. My pen is black. The noun my pen is singular. So the verb here is singular too. My pens are black. My pens are black. My pens are plural. So the verb here is plural too. I will speak about is possessive pronouns. First, we know that pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Possessive pronouns show who is the owner of the object and replace the object. For example, I have a red car. It's mine. The object in this sentence is car. Mine here replaces the object. Here is a list of possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. My, mine. Your, yours. His, her, hers. Our, ours. Their, theirs. Be careful. Possessive pronouns don't have an apostrophe. Examples: these are my books. These are my books. My here is a possessive adjective because it is followed by a noun. These books are mine. These books are mine. Mine as a possessive pronoun because it is not followed by a noun. Another one. Their house is at the end of the street. Their house is at the end of the street. There here is a possessive adjective because it is followed by a noun. But the house at the end of the street is theirs. The house at the end of the street is theirs. There is a possessive pronoun because it is not followed by a noun, and here you can see clearly the letter S that is connected only to possessive pronouns. The last example. I like your car more. I like your car more. Your here is a possessive adjective because it is followed by a noun, car. I like my car, but I like yours more. Someone tell me now that yours here is a possessive adjective because it is followed by more. But be careful, that's completely wrong because more is not a noun. It is an adjective and the end of the word yours is the letter S. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you again for a new lesson. Bye.